Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using a credit card with no fees on Crypto.com for a limited time. So let's jump in. Alright, I'm here on the Crypto.com blog page announcement for these new features that are being offered due to the coronavirus situation that we're all enduring, and there's some pretty cool features going on here. The first, of course, is the waiving of fees for cryptocurrency purchases, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But there's also a couple other things that are pretty cool. You've got up to 10% rebate on grocery purchases and up to 20% rebate on food delivery services. So let me just briefly show you how that's going to work. Now, for the groceries, you can just use your Crypto.com card in a grocery store, right? And so supported brands there are Tesco, Whole Foods, Safeway, Carrefour, Sainsbury's, and other restaurants where you just basically use your MCO card. And you're going to get rebates, depending on the tier of the card that you're using, of course. And these rebates will just come back right into your Crypto.com account in MCO, which you can use to buy other cryptocurrencies or load up your card again. That's entirely up to you how you want to use that. Now, you're also getting rebates on purchases of gift cards that you use your Crypto.com account for. So let me show you how that works. All right, so if you launch your Crypto.com app and then you tap the lion icon down at the bottom in the middle there, you can go over to the Pay features. All right, and Crypto Pay has a lot of features, but today we're going to focus on the gift cards. So we'll just tap that gift card icon up in the top left, and then you can browse the different gift cards that you can buy. Right, so just hit Shop Now. All right, and then you can see there that the two categories are food and beverage and grocery. So if you want to browse those, in all brands there, we've got all categories. I can just tap that, and I'll go down to F&B and hit Done. And then you can see all of the things that you can buy in food and beverage, right? And then you can also tap that again and take it down to grocery, right? Hit Done there. And then you can see you can buy gift cards for these different grocery store chains. Right? You buy the gift card, it's going to give you a code that you can use at the register when you check out, and that'll increase your rewards above and beyond what you would do with just using your card. So it's a great time to use your MCO Visa card when you're going into stores and buying food and getting food deliveries, and it's also a great time to use Crypto Pay to buy gift cards for those brands. So that's very exciting. So what I want to do today, though, is the main attraction here, is I want to show you how to buy cryptocurrency using your credit card. So when you're in Crypto.com, it's a cryptocurrency exchange that you can use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And you can fund these purchases a number of ways. You can just deposit cryptocurrency in your account. Like say you have Bitcoin in your wallet, you can just deposit Bitcoin in your Crypto.com account and use that to trade. I do that quite often, and that's where you use the transfer feature. So you can deposit cryptocurrency, you can withdraw cryptocurrency to your own wallet. That's all cool stuff, right? But what if you're just getting started? What if you don't have any cryptocurrency and you just opened a Crypto.com account and you want to fund a purchase? So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, if you haven't set up a Crypto.com account, I got a great video on how to do that. I'll put that up in the corner there. I'll give you a link to that so you can get yourself going on a Crypto.com account. Pretty simple. All right, so I'm going to go up into the corner there and I'm going to hit Buy. It's up in the left corner, right? And then I'm going to choose the cryptocurrency that I want to buy. As you can see, there's quite a few choices here. We're going to do Bitcoin today, right? And how are we going to do this? As you notice up there under the Buy BTC, they've got credit card, crypto wallet, they've got fiat wallet, which you fund with your bank account, but we're going to focus on credit card today. Now you'll notice I already have my debit card in there, and I've used that before. But For the next 3 months, they're waiving fees, so you're not going to incur any fees when you use these. But we're also going to add a credit card today, in case you've never done that. So I'm going to tap the Add Debit or Credit Card. All right, and then I'm going to put in the information for my card. All right, and then when I'm done with that information, I'll hit Add Card. So if you're trying to add a new credit card, it may get declined and you'll have to call your bank to let them know to verify the transaction. And once you do that, it should go through without any problems. You may receive an email from your bank or a text message asking you if you just made that purchase. In that case, just say yes, and that should clear the transactions. So it depends on the card that you're using and the bank that you're using. Best of luck to everybody out there. All right, so I'll go ahead and use my Visa debit card to do that. So before I do that, I want to make sure that I'm buying the amount that I want, right? They auto-filled it with 0.05 BTC. I don't want to buy that much, so all I need to do is tap in that little field there where it says 0.5 BTC. Right, so if I do 0.005, that's 34, right? So we can go up to say 0.1. That's $68. Whoops, I'll do 0.008. Yeah, about 50 bucks worth of Bitcoin, right? So once I've filled in the amount that I want, I'll just hit Buy BTC, right? I'm going to confirm that. You'll notice there's no fee at all, right? So this is really cool, and this will last for the next 3 months. I'll hit confirm here. All right, and there we go. It went through just fine. Right? I get a little email confirmation that I've made that purchase. I can tap anywhere to continue, and I'll tap Crypto Wallet, and you can see down there that I have $54.62 worth of Bitcoin. Was able to purchase that with my credit/debit card with no fees at all. So that's a great way to purchase cryptocurrency free and clear for the next 3 months on Crypto.com. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget, I do a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for my live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.